Right, morning. Sorry for the delay. I didn't think it was recording, but anyway. Right, what we're going to look at today, keep it simple again, I'm not going to ask you to do too much in one go, but we're going to work out some missing angles that are about a point. So, the fact that we use here, and we need to use a fact, something that is a base that we can always go back to, is if this is my point right in the centre of where these lines meet, then the angles that add up and go around that point must add up to 360 degrees. So angles about a point add up to 360 degrees. Now we can use that fact every time, whenever we're looking for missing angles. Okay, so first example, I'm only going to do two examples. I want to find this missing angle X. Now, they've given me the other side of the angle being 145. So, the calculation I need to do is 360 degrees, because angles, all these angles about this point, there's only two of them, they need to add up to 360. So, if I took 145 degrees away from 360, it would give me my missing angle. So, X equals 360 take away 145. So, X will be equal to, take off 100, I get to 260. Take off 40, I get to 220. Take off the 5, I get to 215 degrees. Nice and easy. So, for my second example, I'm looking for the angle Y. They've told me this angle is 115 degrees. They told me this is a right angle and this is a right angle. Now what we know about angles is a right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So I can use that fact. I've got 1, 2, 3 angles and I just need to find the fourth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up the three angles I've got, and then because I know angles about a point add up to 360, I'm going to subtract the first calculation from 360, and that will give me my answer for Y. So 90 plus 90 plus 115. 0, 0 and 5 gets me 5, 9 and 1 gets me 10, plus the other 9 gets me 19, carry the 1 over, 1 plus 1 is 2. So those three angles add up to 295 degrees. Now to work out my missing angle Y, I need to take this 295 away from 360. So 360 take away 295. I can't take 5 away from 0, so I'm going to have to borrow 1 from the 6. So 10 take away 5 is 5. I can't take 9 away from 5, so I'm going to have to borrow 1. That gets me 2, and that gets me 15 now. So 15 take away 9 gets me 6. 2 take away 2 is 0. So my angle Y is equal to 65 degrees. Right, what I'd like you to do then is have a look at the worksheet. If you're doing it in your book, copy out the shapes. Otherwise, I'm happy for you to do it on the worksheet itself, because I think I've given you plenty of room. Okay. Make sure you show all your workings. Get into a really good habit of showing workings. And I look forward to seeing or speaking to you after the weekend. Right. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon.